Can we change email in Agoda? Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore that can we change email in Agoda? So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the app Agoda on your device. So simply open the app, and now from this interface you'll have to tap on the more option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to tap on the host on Agoda home. So simply it usually appear on the top with the green color, so simply tap on it. Alright, so now from the Agoda homes you'll have to tap on more option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to tap on the profile option. Okay, so from the profile section, all the way you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from here you can know that your email has been already verified to your account. So there is no any such options to change your email on Agoda. So if you want to change your email ID on Agoda, you'll have to create a new account on Agoda. So this is the process. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.